Hey everyone, you've probably seen those ads on social media promising a phone trick that magically pours money into your bank account. Today, we're talking about Mini Mobile ATM. Let's see if it's as good as it claims to be. I'm going to show you exactly what you get when you pay your money, so let's dive in. First, I landed on the Mini Mobile ATM site. The bold headline: 2-minute trick turns my phone into a $600 per day ATM machine. Not much text on the page, just a video that talks about how regular people are supposedly getting paid by pushing a few buttons on their phone. So far, it sounds too good to be true. When you click play, the video hypes up massive daily income for minimal effort. But if you really listen, they admit you need to follow certain steps and spend an hour or two getting things ready. Plus, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, the disclaimer says typical results are not guaranteed. That's a big clue that this probably isn't as effortless as they claim. If you decide to buy, you're sent to a ClickBank checkout page. Remember, ClickBank is just a payment processor, it doesn't vouch for the quality of products. You'll see these little FAQs that say things like, "Is it really legal?" And "How soon will I start making money?" They answer these questions in a way that makes you feel comfortable, so you'll go ahead and pay. But let's be real. You're probably here for the main event, that so-called magic method. So what exactly is inside once you pay? Let's break it down module by module. Module 1, it's mostly an introduction, along with instructions on setting up a ClickBank account to receive commissions. You'll spend at least half an hour to an hour verifying info, filling forms, and making sure you can actually get paid. So, not quite that 2-minute trick. Module 2. Here, they talk about picking products on ClickBank, the so-called done-for-you product. It's really just affiliate marketing. You select some digital products or offers to promote for a commission. Research alone can be time-consuming, especially if you're new. Module 3. This one covers setting up an Instagram account. You'll craft a username, create a bio, maybe even design a simple logo. Again, more than 2 minutes if you want it to look halfway decent. Module 4. This is where they explain how to get actual traffic, repost viral content, give credit to creators, learn some SEO basics, and so on. Building a decent following, as many of you know, can take weeks or months of consistent posting and audience engagement. So that's another chunk of effort. There are more sections, too, and just reading them might take you a few hours. Actually implementing everything could go on for weeks. It's definitely not a literal 2-minute phone trick. So you've seen how much work is actually involved here. This isn't some 2-minute or 7-click miracle. But I want to show you one question from the support section that really drives the point home. They ask, "How soon will I start making money?" and claim you might see earnings within a day or even the first hour. That answer feels like a sick joke when you consider all the work you need to put in. So, what's the final takeaway? Mini Mobile ATM's 2-minute phone trick is just a repackage of standard affiliate marketing, which can take a lot of time and effort to make work. If you were hoping for a quick miracle, I'm sorry to say, this is not it. It's basically hype, and if you don't have the time or know how to grind through all the steps, you won't see those promised results.